We're going to find the oxidation number for all the atoms in potassium permanganate KMnO4. There are three types of atom in this compound, which are K, Mn, and O, and we can easily find their oxidation numbers using these rules. According to rule number 3, the oxidation number of O in a compound is -2. So we've just found the oxidation number for O. Now, what about K and Mn? If we follow the first part of rule 4, which is sum of the oxidation number for compound is equals to 0, it will be pretty hard for us to find the oxidation number for K and Mn because we're going to end up having two unknowns and one equation. Reason being, we don't know what is the oxidation number for K, we represent it with X. Mn, we don't know either, represent it with Y, so we can't solve for both X and Y in one equation. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to break down the compound because we know KMnO4 is an ionic compound consisting of potassium metal ion and the polyatomic ion, which is the permanganate ion. So for potassium metal, it's a group 1 metal, which means it's going to form a +1 charge. That means our permanganate ion's formula is going to be MnO4-. If we don't know the formula for permanganate ion, we can easily figure it out by looking at the ionic formula KMnO4. Since the charge for K is +1, that means MnO4 will have the same but opposite charge, meaning -1. That way, their charges will balance off each other to form KMnO4. Since K+ is a monoatomic ion, that means the oxidation number for K is going to be +1. Now we can move on to finding the oxidation number for Mn. We'll use rule 4, but now we'll use the bottom part, which is the sum of the oxidation numbers for a polyatomic ion is equals to the ion's charge. So our polyatomic ion in this case is MnO4-. So we set X to represent the oxidation number of Mn plus 4 times -2 equals -1. We times 4 because there are 4 oxygen in the formula. We multiply 4 with -2 because -2 is the oxidation number for oxygen, and we equate the whole equation to -1 because that is the charge of the polyatomic ion. Solving that is going to give us X is equals to +7, and that is the oxidation number for Mn. With that, we found the oxidation number for K, Mn, and O in KMnO4. Hope that helps. Do subscribe, and thanks for watching.